folks. Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn here. Yes, Jennifer E. Strawn, DBA LDAMS, LDAMS, the acronym for my firm, Legal Document Assistance and Multi-Services. Today is Saturday, September 28th, 2024. And, of course, yes, LDAMS is open for work, open to work, open to do business, and welcoming adequate assignments, work assignment, business assignments, collaborations, if any, if at all possible. And so, yes, just want to remind everyone I am a legal services provider. I am a paralegal, legal assistant, legal technician, I'm a notary. I also provide marketing services, advertising services, business consultant services. And so I am a multi-services firm. Excuse me. Yes, I have a degree in applied, associate in applied science. I also have a minor in business administration, sales, and marketing, which I earned both at New York City College of Technology. Prior to going to college and earning my degree in college, I earned my high school diploma from Prospect Heights High School. So I have quite an extensive background in education and also working in America, in New York, in Brooklyn and New York State since I arrived on the shores of America in the early 1980s. I have well over 40 years of experience and I'm knowledgeable. And so I am skilled, experienced, and knowledgeable. And my phone number to reach me is at 347-693-4437, and my email address is jenniferestrawn.ldams@workmail.com. And I just want to remind the public, the fact is I am an income generating firm, revenue generating business. And while I mention this, let me just also note something that I remembered as I was thinking, because I am an open mind. I am open for work. I am an intellectual property business owner as a legal services provider and a degreed intellectual person providing services. I wanted to remind the public of the fact is when I hear people talking about who should be pricing goods or services and who should not be pricing goods and services, or who should not be selling goods and services, or who should not be paid for goods and services or good services, and all of these different conversations that I've heard going around. I just want to remind the public, and this is what I'm saying to you right now, is nurses don't do pro bono except in times of wars and hurricanes, etc. And that is also that it can look good on their resumes. Doctors don't do pro bono except in times of wars and hurricanes, etc. And that is so that it can look good on their resumes. Medical professionals don't do pro bono except in times of wars and hurricanes and voluntary circumstances, also so that it can look good on their resumes. So why does messy 35 years trillion, why do you messes think, hope, dream, or wish that lawyers and attorneys and legal assistants, paralegal, legal technicians, legal services, legal professionals should do it for free or volunteer reasons only? Why? Why? Such thoughts and dreams and hopes and wishes only happen in the minds of constitutions of wrong-thinking bullies that have costed the very same profession of such as myself 35 trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars. And they don't want to pay for Nothing. Nothing. They've costed us, they're costing us millions and trillions of DBT national debt. And they're the same type of people and persons and what have you, what you all have, what the messes have, that won't pay $2.95 to ride the bus on Church Avenue, on Brooklyn, in Brooklyn, on Flatbush Avenue. They're the same people, the same crowd on the buses that are evading the fares on the buses. Because that is the nature of such simplistic. No, they're not simplistic. They're complicated, but yes, they are simplistic, sexualized, bastardized, criminalistic beast. And some people usually condense that all and say it's the nature of the beast. But you know what, beast? You all have to start. They must start paying their fares. And you know what? Since y'all have been stealing and stealing from the one who she don't got no money, you ain't got no money. I've heard songs about who ain't have money, who they stole from, but who are good enough to have gone to school, gotten the degrees, is able to provide the services, and now have to have always had to put food on the table, pay light and gas, and pay for shelter, etc., and live as human as possible. And so this is why I require payment for my services rendered. Now, mind you, I've volunteered. I've done my share of volunteerism, as an intern and as a volunteer. But now I seek customers because I have my own business, I have my own firm. I'm quite aware of what I do within the confines of my own home office. And everybody is not free to do against me as they will. So I will close the doors on all of that and do mention what I do here within my business is very liberating for myself, providing services, and of course, providing services for a fee, because this is an income generating business, revenue generating business, as most businesses are.